Hello, this is Julio Davila, your Atlanta real estate agent, with another virtual home tour, Celebrity Edition. We are in Buckhead, Georgia, which is north of Atlanta. Today we are touring the home of Jeezy. When this two-story penthouse last hit the market in 2013 as the property of Atlanta rapper Young Jeezy, it was minimalist to the point of being icy, somewhat fitting for an artist also known as the Snowman. The glaring exception was an apartment-sized custom closet that doubled as a temple to Jeezy's obvious footwear fetish. The man legally known as J.W. Jenkins eventually took a loss on the crib it scooped up for $1.32 million as the Great Recession began. It traded for $950,000 in early 2014, records show. That's all in the rear view at the Phoenix on Peachtree Building's Unit 2605, where CEO-level dough was clearly spent to warm the place up without marring its sleekness, or blocking those views. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments below, like, and subscribe. Now let's finish the tour.